Hey guys, in this video we're going to be answering a question asked by one of my viewers. They were asking a question whilst watching the Gimp 2.10.18 video that I did. They wanted to know how I managed to get these really large looking layer previews. So this is a really useful thing to know in Gimp layouts. We go to the layers panel. You'll see this triangle here, and what we need to do is just to click on that and then make a choice for previews. So we can change the preview size, and I'm going to change it all the way to gigantic. Now you can see we've got the large layer previews, and sometimes when you're working with these really large layer previews, this is a 4K monitor, you might want to just move the layer previews to a somewhat wider, taller space. So I'm going to move them up to this point, and when we get the blue line, I'll release, and you can see now we've got much more space to see what's going on. So that's a useful tip which I hope you'll find helpful at some stage. That is going to be it for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.